Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you a replicating tool, that is Replicator. This tool will replicate anything you want, like web pages, like affiliate pages or anything like that will help you to earn online very easily. Let me show you how this tool works. This is the members area of this tool, and inside this members area now you are watching the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and after that the tutorials are given. The tutorials are very detailed tutorial, though it is taking some time to come because the software is okay and maybe my internet is little bit slow. So these are the tutorials or training you should go through after getting this tool. And the good thing is tutorial is given after the dashboard option. Usually for another app, for other apps, the tutorial is given in the end section. That is why after discovering everything by putting hard work, by doing hard work, then you will come to know that the tutorial is already given. Okay, so this is not for this tool. Tutorial is given on the below, on the above section, sorry, on the upper side of this tool. So next thing I want to show you, that is the integration part. You can integrate any email integrations, like any popular email autoresponders like GetResponse, like SendLane, like the ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Aweber, anything you want, you can integrate inside this tool by putting your API key. Next thing, I don't want to show product, but I want to show you your site. Like what are the sites you will be replicating, or what are the expectation of your site. This is the site that is created with this tool, and you can see here there are some software on this site, and anyone can download this software. For the front-end version, anyone can download. Then they have to pay for the upsells. That is the good thing for you. When they have to pay for the upsell, they will be satisfied with the front-end product and they will be purchasing the upsells. You will be getting the commissions. So that's how you can earn money, and the commission will be around $24.83 for each and every download. So that is the best thing of this tool. After giving something free, after just giving away something free, they are just charging a little money, and that's how you are earning money. So that is the best thing of this tool. And after visiting your site, so you can expect this kind of website. This looks very professional, very premium and very cool. Okay, so the next thing is the product affiliate link. So inside product affiliate link, let the product affiliate link come. So inside product affiliate link, there are some products already enlisted. You can also list your own product. That's how can you do that, I will also show you. And you can go to the product page directly. Just click on go to link, and inside go to link you have to take the permission for that exact product. And once you have permitted, I have not permitted for this tool, I have to take the request, then I will be permitted. Then I can paste my link here, and then I will be watching my software here with my link, and that is how I can make money very easily online with my done for me stuff. Okay, so next thing is the site settings. Anything you want to do with your site, that can be done from here. Like anything you wanna do in your site, like this advertisement is already here. Sorry, in the upper section there is an advertisement, so you can edit the advertisement, you can promote anything you want. And next thing is the free traffic. You can expect 100 free solo ads traffic from these vendors or from this owner. You have to put a Google form inside the fourth section. This is the free traffic section. Okay, and if you want to enlist your own product, you can also do so by clicking on create new, and then you have to fill out a form. And after doing so, you can promote your product also inside your website. So you don't need to worry about hosting, you don't need to worry about domain purchase. And the best thing is also you are given so many done for you stuffs. Okay, and inside upgrades there is also bonus builder. Inside the bonus builder, the bonus pages are given, done for you bonus pages, like 20 bonus pages or 10 bonus pages are given. You can click on create, and then you can choose the templates from here, like templates are given. Okay, so it is taking little bit time. While it is taking time, let me show you the additional stuffs. Like this tool will cost you $19.17 and 180 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available. And also you can see here the features of this tool, and most importantly my bonuses. So these are my bonuses. I want to talk about the bonuses casually, cause you will think that I am emphasizing on my bonuses, but that is not. Like the bonuses are coming from each and every field, 29 bonuses. And also for upsells I am giving you 400 plus bonuses. Maybe there is an affiliate who is giving you this kind of bonuses, or maybe not. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you like this about the bonuses. And there are some vendor bonuses. So this is the vendor bonus link. You have to purchase the tool, then you can access the vendor bonus. That's all I want to say. This is me, Chayan Sarkar, and I think it has come now. So you can see here, so inside the load sales or download pages templates, your done for you bonus pages will be given to you. So that's all I want to say. You can click any of the buttons on this page, you will be sent to this sales page, and from this sales page you can get the tool. And if you want to knock me, if you have any query, you can knock me on my Facebook page, that is Soft Memeware. Okay, so now I am signing out for this tool. Bye bye, have a good day, thank you.